cauliflower, cauliflower, ladyfinger, ladyfinger, garlic, garlic, onion, onion, chili, chili, ginger, ginger, carrot, carrot, pumpkin, pumpkin, jackfruit, jackfruit, cucumber, cucumber, spinach, spinach, capsicum, capsicum, bok choy, bok choy, beetroot, beetroot, cabbage, cabbage, broccoli, broccoli, sweet corn, sweet corn, brinjal, brinjal, tomato, tomato, potato, potato,